Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT English question. This was question 27 from the English section of ACT 74H. Now right there you can pause the video, pause it, take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause the video and watch the explanation. Because we're getting in there. It reads, with financial help from a grant awarded to the tribe in 2008. With these funds, Lane organized a small staff to develop a formal language curriculum, including instructional materials accessible not only to school children, but to all tribal members. And then we got some options. Well, it might be helpful to keep in mind our number one principle in the ACT English section, which is that we need to have a reason why the shortest answer is not correct. Because all else being equal, we would rather use fewer words than more. So if we look at the answer choices, we see, alright, A includes 3 words with these funds, B, 3 words, this is how, C, 2 words, and then D says delete the underlined portion. Well, that would be quite short. We wouldn't have to deal with any of these. So let's see how that works. With financial help from a grant awarded to the tribe in 2008, Lane organized a small staff to develop a formal language curriculum. Alright, cool. That worked. So the answer is D. The other answers are all a bit wordy. Like for instance A, right? Well, the sentence began with financial help, blah, 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 comma, with these funds. It's like, yeah, I know we're talking about with the financial help / funds. So it's redundant. And similarly with B, with financial help, comma, this is how. It's not very good storytelling. But we don't even have to worry about any of that. We tried the shortest answer first, which in this case was to delete the whole thing, and it worked. So we're done. Cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.